Welcome to HidinWhaurYe'reBidin, a Scots tung series looking at unco and antering things living by your doorstains. This time we're at Castlelaw Hillfort, a wee miles outside Edinburgh. This episode looks to a place nobody has jaloused a kenning o. What weird like and unco cantrips have gone on down here. Just a wee bitty ayod the edge of Edinburgh lies Castlelaw. This is a place where suspicions of underground mystery practices, perhaps symbolic of rebirth and mensdom, nae unlike Freemasonry, lie embedded in the yard down the Souterrain. But before we gang a blow into the depths of unkent mysteries, let's hear a wee glisk about. This bloustery heath is perched to the Pentland Hills, a wild yet fey setting, weel fit for glamoury and spadum. It was a Hillfort lang syne afore the Souterrain was houkit out, most likely in the early centuries AD. These rampart dykes ston vody and proud yet on the northern side. So let's gang a blow. It's usual to think of Pictish places for Souterrains in Scotland, but here we are just out by the heartlands of the Picts. Mind you, we're in the Pentland Hills, and many folk believe that the Pentland Hills is the Pechtland Hills. Now, all kind of things have been wondered about the purpose of Souterrains, but nobody kens. Some folk believe that Souterrains might show traces of the last throes of an ancient belief system afore Christianity established itself. It has been put out by some folk that Abelin Souterrains were for storing grain, but nae yin grain has ever been found down within ony Souterrain. What weird like and unco cantrips have gone on down here. When a body reflects upon the great wealth oors mony other cultures he expended on biggins such as cathedrals and pyramids, and who folk have been ta'en up with thoughts of rebirth for Christianity to Masonic ceremonies and shamanic journeys, then maybe same like conceits for down here are nae sae quig baleeries after all. Nae doubt there'll be antering things ligging by your ain doorstains forby, so why no hear never about to fin out what's HidinWhaurYe'reBidin?